Do you want to play with Play-Doh with me?
Okay, I'll get some Play-Doh for me.
No, Will. We're going to be playing with the same Play-Doh, and it's new. Hi, guys. So today we're going to be playing with Play-Doh. Yay, Play-Doh.
I got to move this.
Some Play-Doh.
Oh, where can I sit?
Will, there's only one chair. Yay, I love Play-Doh.
Well, I need Play-Doh.
Shh. Will, we're going to break it in half. There you go. So I'm going to be making a little house. So here's how you make a house with Play-Doh. So you just squish it up. Leave a little bit right here and a big part right here. Smush it up. Get all the crumbs back if you have some crumbs. Okay. Oh, I forgot to turn my music box on.
Hello.
Music box.
Yes.
Yeah.
A ballerina.
Ballerina.
What do they call a boy ballet dancer?
I don't know.
Play-Doh.
You don't know?
I
Do you want to
play
know?
with Play-Doh.
Huh?
Do you want to know?
I play with
They call them ballet
Play-Doh.
dancers.
I play with Play-Doh.
They don't call them ballerinas. You playing with Play-Doh?
Uh-huh.
Don't eat it.
Don't eat it. Okay, now we roll it up. Smush, 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 smush. Smush, 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 smush. And we keep smushing until it's a cube.
Smush, 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 smush.
Okay, and now we create a platform right here. Okay, and then we put it on top. And there's your house. It's not perfect, but I can add a door.
I made my house. I made my house.
Okay, guys, this is a door and this is a window.
Well, this is my house right here.
Give this video a thumbs up if you think it looks like a house. And I'll smush my house so it becomes a very broken house. Sorry, guys, I just broke my house. Okay,
I
guys,
just broke my
so in the next video, we're going to play with dominoes. Sorry, guys, I dropped you. Bye.